Hello friends, welcome to my kanji practice session class. Today we will practice 5 kanjis. Yon or see, it is developed from this picture. Go, it is developed from this picture. Roku, it is also developed from this picture. Sichi or Nana, it is developed from this picture. And also Hachi, we will learn. It is also developed from this picture. So we learn 5 numerical kanji. Yon or si, go, roku, sichi and nana, hachi. Okay, let's start. Yon kanji. It is developed like 2 fingers and here also 2 fingers. So it became 4. So meaning of this kanji is 4. Kunyomi, yotsu, yon and yo, and onyomi, si. Let's write how to write kakekata. Ichi, ni, san, ni, san, si, ni, san, si, go. Kakusu 5. Practice yotsu, 4 things. Yonin, 4 people or 4 person. Shigatsu, April. Yokka, 4th day of the month. So let's practice the kanji. Ichi, ni, san, si, go. Yon, yonin no yo, shigatsu no si. Ichi, ni, san, si, go, yon or si. Ichi, ni, san, si, go. 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 Shigatsu no si, yonin no yo, yokka no yok, like this. Okay. Ichi, ni, san, si, go. 5 strokes are there. Yon, yo, si, yotsu no yo. Okay. You just practice the kanji 3-4 times. It is more than enough to remember, and practice the word. Yotsu, 4 things. Yonin, you never say yonin. It is only yo. Okay. Please take care about this. When you use for month, reading must be si, not yon. Okay. This thing also you need to remember. Yokka, 4th day of the month. Okay. Practice next kanji. The next kanji is go. Meaning is 5. It is developed from this picture. Kunyomi is itsutsu and onyomi go. Kakekata, how to write? Ichi, ni, san, si. Okay. Go. Itsutsu, 5 things. Gonin, gogatsu, practice the kanji. Ichi, ni, san, si, go. Ichi, ni, san, si, go. Here kakusu is 4. I forgot to write. Kakusu 4. Okay. Ichi, ni, san, si, go. Ichi, ni, san, si, go. ichi ni san shi go, ichi ni san shi go, ichi ni san shi go, ni san shi go, ichi ni san shi go, ichi ni san shi go. Hope you practicing the kanji. Please practice. If you practice this kanji, you never ever forget the kanji. If you want to make your career in Japanese language, practicing the kanji is most necessary, and learning kanji also necessary. Okay. Next kanji is roku. Meaning of the kanji is 6. So this kanji developed from this picture. Kunyomi, muchu, and onyomi, roku. Kakikata, ichi, ichi ni san shi. Kakusu. 4 strokes. The below portion, it is looks like katakana ha, no? Katakana ha also like this, so it is below portion is looks like katakana ha. Roku. Rokunin, 6 people. Rokugachu, June. Muchu, 6 things. Muika, 6th day. So let's practice. Rokunin no roku, rokugachu no roku, muchu no much, and muika no mui. This is the special reading. Okay. Let's practice. Ichi ni san shi, 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 ichi ni san shi. Okay. Ichi ni san shi, roku, rokugachu no roku, rokunin no roku, muika no mui, mukchu. Hope you practicing the kanji very well. This is 7 kanji. So meaning is 7. This kanji developed from this picture. Okay. So kunyomi, nanachu, onyomi, shichi. Next write ichi ni su, nanachu, shichi gachu, shichi nin, nanoka, 7th day of the month, nanoka. So we learn nanatsu, shichi gachu, shichi nin, nanoka. Okay. Let's practice. Ichi ni, shichi nin no shichi, shichi gachu no shichi, ichi ni nana, nanachu no nana, nanoka no nano, ichi ni shichi or nana, ichi ni shichi or nana, 7, ichi ni shichi or nana. Okay. This you just practice 3-4 times, you can be remember. As it has 2 reading, nanachu, nana and shichi, somewhere we used nana, somewhere is shichi. When it is persons, hito kanji, so it will be reading shichi. And shichi gachu no shichi, shichi nin no shichi, nanoka no nano. It is special reading. So nanoka and nanachu, 7 things. Shichi gachu, July, shichi nin, 7 people, nanoka, 7th day. Next kanji, hachi. Now we will practice next kanji. Meaning of this kanji is 8. This is developed from this picture, no? 4 and 4 fingers. It's showing over here. It is 8, and it is developed to this and next this, and final kanji is this hachi. Kunyomi, onyomi. Kunyomi, yachu, onyomi, hachi. Ichi ni yatsu, 8 things. Hachigachu, hachigachu, August, hachinin, 8 people. Yoka, This is special reading. Okay. 8th day of month. Okay. This much kanji words we learn. Then ichi ni hachi. Ichi ni hachi nin no hachi. Ichi nin hachigatsu no hachi August. Ichi nin yoka no yo. Ichi ni yatsu no ya. It is 8 things. Okay. Ichi ni hachi. Ichi ni hachi. Ichi ni hachi. Ichi ni hachi. Okay. This way you practice ichi ni hachi. Okay. This way you practice the kanji. You will be better and perfect in Japanese language. Okay. Next, in today's practice session, we will learn Yon kanji, Go kanji, Roku, Shichi and Hachi. Today we practice these 5 kanji. Tomorrow we will practice it. Q. Tomorrow we will practice Q, Ju, Ju, Hyaku, Sen and Man. In tomorrow's practice session, we will practice these 5 kanji. Okay. Today's practice is this much. Please practice this way. I remember more than 2500 kanji like this. Please do it. Okay. Let's meet in tomorrow's practice session. Till that time, sayonara. Stay healthy, stay safely.